Other functions of note were at Varanasi. Mahant Veerbhadra Mishra encouraged the team by saying, "जो हम केवल सोच ही रहे थे, ये इन्होंने कर बताया." The NYKS had played a key role in the organization of the entire yatra, and but for their support, it could not have been such a grand affair.
Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan for making it such a joyful, colorful, wonderful yatra. We have today completed the first segment of the yatra, and it is a very important day for us because well begun is half done.
Seen here is one of the favorite regional coordinators speaking at an event in Malda. Dr. Shireen tells of her inspiration.
Here I would like to tell you a story of a lady whose name is Kamla Bai Hospit. She was a child widow in the early 1900s, and you know that in those times how child widows were treated. She was ostracized, but she did a course in midwifery and then established small suti kagras, just the bare necessity in small villages all over Vidarbha. She taught how to deliver a woman safely and ultimately built a 500-bedded hospital in Nagpur. She wore khadi all her life. Most of the time she spun it herself. She is my idol. She is none other than my maternal grand aunt.
The lessons learnt from this literally down-to-earth experience were both medical and social. Firstly, there is an unmet need for contraception with proper counseling. Secondly, training of traditional birth attendants or dais is an urgent need.
पढ़ना जरूर आना चाहिए, ठीक है? अब उसमें ऐसी चीजें हैं कि जो गर्भवती स्त्री होती है तो उसके लिए क्या क्या जरूरी है, कैसे आप उसको तपास करोगे, कैसे बच्चा कितना बढ़ रहा है वह जान पाओगे। आप सभी को मैं कुछ चीजें यानी भेंट करूँ। गर्भवती महिला है और उसका गर्भ इधर तक है, जैसे इधर नाभि है मेरी, उसके जस्ट ऊपर यदि गर्भ लग रहा है आपको तो ये जो गोल है वो उसके ऊपर रखिए और फिर यहाँ तक नापिए। यहाँ पे एक हड्डी होती है तो वहाँ तक आप नापिए और देखिए इधर आया 5.5, 5.5, तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि ये 5.5 महीने का गर्भ है। उसका नाम लिखना, तारीख लिखना, 4.5 महीने लिख देना, फिर बोलना 1 महीने बाद हमारे पास आना।
Interrelated issues such as dowry, early marriage, and education and gender bias have to be addressed simultaneously. Finally, political manipulation of the masses occurs in every walk of life. Thus, there is a comparative paucity of the middle class. In effect, a situation of bonded labor. Education is the key. The participants walked right up to Gomukh, the origin of the river, with night halts at the Isha Vasyam Ashram at Gangotri and the GMVN accommodation in Bhoj Bhasa.
Bhagirathi 2, 1 and 3. पहिला दिसतो तो 2 आहे, मध्ये 1 आहे, त्याच्यानंतर 3 आहे. ते हाईट प्रमाणे आहे ते.
The victorious team 12 of the team members had walked all the way, and others had joined for the Uttaranchal segment.
भारत माता की जय, गंगा मैया की जय। सफल हुई, सफल हुई।
The Samarop ceremony was held in New Delhi at the Chinmaya Center of World Understanding Auditorium. Mr. Salman Khurshid, MP, was the chief guest, and Miss Nafisa Ali, the guest of honor. Also present were Mr. Shakil Ahmad Khan, the Director General of NYKS, Dr. Vinay Agarwal, Secretary General of the IMA.
This has to be passed to all those women, all those children who need their recognition, who need that assistance, who need your help, who need you as a health worker, who need you as a social worker, who need you as a one who can give them some helping hand. Shireen, you have done it, and I'm sure I must congratulate you as such. You happen to be a member of Foxy. I'll say I congratulate Foxy also that Foxy has such members like Shireen.
And Dr. Dhuru Shah, President, Foxy.
For the Ganga Yatra, the funds which were raised mainly by Shireen. We have helped her to some extent, a few lakhs here and a few lakhs there. But the major was through personal contacts and friends, and that has pulled this Ganga Yatra through. But it doesn't end there. We are looking at it as a long-term thing. And that is where we are appealing to all corporates to come put your hands in your pockets and give towards a cause which will help our nation for the future.
Mr. Swashriya Shah of AstraZeneca Pharma India Limited announced a donation of rupees 50 lakhs for the Yatra.
I take this opportunity to acknowledge the untiring efforts of Dr. Dhuru Shah, Dr. Shireen Venkat, and the rest of the team for the ambitious project they have successfully undertaken over the past 5 months.
Thus came to an end the Suprabha Ganga Yatra, having done all that it promised and more. The road ahead is now clear. The follow-up project called SGY Saving the Mother is already underway in the selected villages along the banks of the river Ganga, which, as described by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, the Ganga especially is the river of India, beloved of her people, around which are intertwined her memories, her hopes and fears, her songs of triumph, her victories and her defeats. She has been a symbol of India's age-long culture and civilization, ever changing, ever flowing, and yet ever the same Ganga.